Hey guys, this is Davide here with Bright IA. Today we are going to talk about our capabilities as a company. So Bright IA Intelligent Automation started in summer of 2021 here in Fort Worth, Texas. And so our capabilities are the main capabilities are control systems and motion, robotics and work cells, and data analytics. So those are the main three areas. But let's dig down to this, one by one, and what is specific can we provide for your needs. So let's go to the controls and motion, starting from troubleshooting existing machinery, upgrades that takes new PLC, software conversion, addition, upgrades, functionalities, and then we can also build from scratch, from designing, specing, procurement, and assembly, and programming and commissioning. Know all the 9 yards for different verticals and different type of application, from processing to discrete automation to linear actuation and motion. Um, because of our background, we are capable of touching the different areas. However, our main focus is, in the manufacturing business, and we are going to talk about later about our focus in the manufacturing, the verticals that we are focusing right now. So now let's move on to the robotics. So in the robotics realm, we are capable of doing the following applications of building. As of now, is welding station, welding work cell, MIG, and spot welding. And then we're moving along with painting too. We have expertise in robotic painting, and then we have also expertise in machine tending and assembly. And then within that, we can provide, of course, starting from existing systems or building brand new systems, like brand new work cells, taking care, of course, if there is a need of control, there is a need of designing mechanically and electrically, and then, of course, the safety portion, which is very, very important. Um, and also like the development, either directly or through our partners of the end of farm tooling, and and then also like something that could be as an auxiliary device or an add-on, or something that is necessary in some cases, is like the vision system. So we can connect and develop like vision systems with AI capabilities as well. So now we move along the last portion, the last let's say department that we have, which is like data analytics. We are able to build from small IIoT applications, collecting data from sensor and localize and show the data, or predictive maintenance, or we can move like to more robust system and big in size, like from SCADA or MES. But our main focus is like moving forward is like collecting the data from the machine that we are building, and then show this OE to the customer, so they have like a real-time performance of the machine, and we can monitor and track and put this information in dashboards. And also we equip all of our machines with remote connectivity for like remote troubleshooting, first line of defense, and also like changes that needs to happen or updates along the life of the equipment. So yeah, it's basically that's all we perform. Now we are talking about like the verticals. As I mentioned earlier, we are like focusing in the manufacturing space, but our prerogative is like helping fabrication shops here in Texas or in other states with their multiple tasks. Like I mentioned, like specifically with welding applications, with machine tending on press brakes or any other type of machinery, CNC could be as well, or late. And then lastly, it's painting, right? So all the different tasks that a fabrication shop requires, and we are able to help it, and also assembly frames, things like that. Um, so that's our focus, and then the other vertical is food and beverage. We develop a lot of experience there. So we are food and beverage. Historically speaking, it's more prone to use like machines versus robots. We like, of course, to build like robots application, but in the food and beverage, we have developed conveying systems, conveying control system, retrofits, and connectivity with from existing equipment with new equipments, helping OEM installing, commissioning, and make system to perform as the customer request. Um, and then of course robotics, like when we're talking about palletizing applications, things of that nature, like mostly end of the line systems. So as I mentioned, like we are prone to use robotics. Um, yeah. So then other vertical as well. We are looking. We have worked in the plastic industries, injection molding, and then we have worked like in the aerospace. Um, we we have worked in the assembly industries, um, and we have worked in the automotive as well, tier one. So we have a variety of experience, and that can be fruitful for whoever is watching this video, for the end user. So yeah, I encourage you to check on our page, on our social media, where you can find uh, different pictures, videos of application we developed. Um, and I just want to like to reiterate that within that, like we are very strong also in the vision system, barcode readers. We develop those applications for warehousing mostly, or production lines, and vision system to for material recognition, orientation, and inspection. A couple of years ago, we developed like a very how can I say, early in the game, I would say, we develop like this AI application, inspection application for some undisclosed parts for oil and gas. Um, so we've been in the game of AI for a couple of years, and now we continue like to watch, to build, to test, and to implement like application that use like AI engines, which vision system is the first that comes to mind. Um, and then before I close, like I want to mention like the brands that we usually carry and have knowledge are, of course, Rockwell Automation, Allen Bradley. We can define ourselves expert right there because of the many application we develop, we saw, we troubleshoot, um, etc., etc. So we have a deep knowledge of the parts and the software, etc. So then we move to other platform which are like Codices or TwinCat with Backoff. So we started also like learning there. We deployed like multiple application with Codices. And then finally, Siemens, we are not super strong there because we didn't find like enough system to develop our expertise, but we work here and there with Siemens, but I would say mainly Rockwell and Codices as the main two software platform for developing like control systems. Then then we move with the we use keyens for visions for process sensor too for sensors, smart sensor, photo eyes, laser beam sensor, every type of sensor they have. Again, barcode readers. So every type of product have to metrology and safety. Then we have a broad knowledge with banner engineering. Again, some products are shared with keyens like safety, like sensors. So they are competitors in some products and in some other not. So we have used extensively like the stack lights, the lights that they carry. Of course, sensor, IIoT devices, IO link, remote IO, gateway radio systems. So a lot of their products we use them and we have the knowledge. And then we move along with Wago again with Codices, and then Muir. We start using Muir for the IO link. Then SMC is one of the brand that for the pneumatic is our preference. They have a broad like line of devices of every type, mostly in the pneumatics where they are like the leaders. And then we go to the robotics. We use extensively Fanuc, first place, then KUKA, and then ABB. We are system integrators partners with the three big major robots OEMs. But like I said, extensive knowledge with Fanuc with multiple applications, and then we use for suction, vacuum, gripping, schmaltz, Zimmer group for more finger grippers, heavy duty from small application to heavy duty, and then we go like if we have to use magnetics, we use MagSwitch, very nice company, very robust like magnets, and then here and there we try like different brands. Then we have of course like our favorite terminal block brand, which is Phoenix Contact. Then different enclosures. If we dig down to the controls, like we use Rital or Saginaw. Anyway, those are the main brand, and that we continue to use all over and over again because we know like the quality. So basically, we as a company we focus on the quality of the system we build, which includes of course components of high quality components, high performance components that allow us to provide a superior product and solution to the customers. So partnership for us, like it's extremely important. Uh, Both sides, between us and the suppliers, and between us and the end user. So we wanted to build like relationships and that last, and then we wanna to provide, like I said, the best product and solution available in the market with our custom solutions. So, here in a nutshell, what Bright IA is. If you like it, what I told you today, uh, just leave a comment below. Tell me what you think, and you know where you can find me. You can find me on LinkedIn. My name again is Davide Pascucci, and then you can find us, of course, through our website, BrightIA. TX like Texas.com. This is our website, but you can find all the links below. And again, tell me what you think. And until then, have a blessed day. God bless. See you later. Bye.